In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain from your Wix account. This can be particularly handy if you're looking to manage your online presence more effectively or simply declutter your domain management dashboard. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get this done smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you need to access your Wix account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to wix.com. If you aren't already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials, your email, and password to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, Wix will bring you straight to your dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Wix sites, from setting up new ones to managing domains, as we're about to do. Now that you're in your Wix dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the domain section. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with a variety of options. Here, you'll want to click on Settings and then select Domains. If your dashboard has a slightly different setup, you might find the Domains option directly on the main menu instead. Either way, you're headed in the right direction. This will take you to a page where all the domains linked to your Wix account are listed. It's a comprehensive overview of your online real estate, so to speak. With the list of domains now in front of you, it's time to pinpoint the specific domain you wish to remove. Go ahead and click on the domain that you want to no longer have associated with your Wix account. Selecting it will expand a menu of options related to that domain. Here you'll find choices like Connect to Site, Manage, or Remove. It's important to take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct domain, especially if you're managing multiple websites or businesses, to avoid any unintended disruptions. Now, towards your decision point, you'll select the remove option, and just like that, you're on your way to freeing up your account from unwanted domains. Before you finalize this action, Wix might prompt you to confirm your decision. This is an essential step because removing a domain is irreversible through simple clicks, and you want to make sure it's a well-considered action. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to removing a domain from your Wix account. Remember, managing your domains carefully helps streamline your online presence and ensures there are no unnecessary digital assets cluttering your dashboard. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Until next time, happy managing!